Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter, revise a very important chapter like that, which is what Heron's formula. Which chapter, dear students? Heron's formula. And in that class we take and solve some important questions based on Heron's formula. Okay, now this is the last class of the Heron's formula. After that we are going to take and revise some other important chapter related to your first term syllabus of mathematics of class 9. So now we take some important questions of your syllabus based on Heron's formula. Let's see. The length of the sides. Question is the length of the sides. Okay, the length of the sides of a triangle are of a triangle are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 13 centimeter, and 13 centimeter respectively. Okay, find the length of the find the length of the find the length of the perpendicular from find the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the opposite vertex to the opposite vertex the to the side whose length to the side whose length is whose length is 13 centimeter. Okay, whose length is what, dear students? 13 centimeter. Okay, so this is a very important questions of your syllabus. Let's see very carefully. Dear students, here it is given that the length of the sides of a triangle are 5, 12 and 13 centimeter. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we draw a triangle. We draw a triangle. Okay, we draw a triangle A, B, C. Its sides are AB is 5, AC is 12, and this is what? 13 centimeter. Achha? Okay, let triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 5 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, and BC is equal to what? 13 centimeter. Okay, BC is what? 13 centimeter. Now, what I do for that? Now look. First, dear students, what we find? We find the length of the perpendicular from the opposite vertex to the side whose length is 13 centimeter. Now, first of all, we consider the side BC, and we find the length of perpendicular drawn from opposite vertex of that side. So let us take, we draw AL, we take as L. So let AL is perpendicular to base BC means just BCD, right? And let air is equal to h centimeter. This is we take air as h. So what I do? H centimeter. We take h centimeter. So what I do? Dear student, first of all, we find the area of triangle ABC because of all of its three sides are given. So dear student, by the help of Heron's formula, by using the Heron's formula, first of all we find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Okay. Dear students, after finding the area of triangle ABC, after finding the area of triangle ABC, we apply again the formula for area of triangle ABC because of we know that the formula for area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. So if we take base as BC, then we take its corresponding altitude as AL. So in this way we find AL. So first, before finding the value of AL, we find the area of triangle ABC. Okay. So let here we take as A is 5 centimeter, B is 12 centimeter, and third side BC as what? 13 centimeter. Since we know that semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. You know that na? A plus B plus C upon 2, that is, so A means what? This is 5, B means what? This is 12, C means what? This is 13. Upon 2. Now we simplify them. S is equal to this is 30 upon 2, that is what? 15. So thus the value of S is what? 15 centimeter. Okay. In this way, first of all we find the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC. Now, by Heron's formula, by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to n under root what? S minus A. S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay. Now we put all the values. S as what? 50 into S minus A means 50 minus A means what? This is 5 into this is S minus B 15 minus B means what? 12. S minus C means 15 minus C means what? 13. So first of all, we put all the values. Okay, all the values in the given formula. Now we simplify them. So we get n square root 15, that is 15 minus 5, that is 10, that is 15 minus 12, that is 3, this is 15 minus 13, that is 2, that is 2. Okay, so now we simplify them. So we get what? Look, we do their prime factorization. So look, 15 we can write 5 into 3, 10 we can write 5 into 2, and this is 3 into 2, write as it is. Okay, now look, 5 is in pair, 3 also in pair, 2 also in pair. Okay, so we take common out from the sets. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, so 5 into 3 into 2, this is 30 centimeter square. So in this way, first we find the area of triangle ABC, which is what, 30 centimeter. Now after finding the area 30 centimeter, now let's see. Now look, after finding the area of triangle ABC, again we apply the formula for area of triangle. Now again in triangle ABC, okay, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. This is the common formula to find the area of triangle when its base and their corresponding altitude is given. Okay. Now from there, dear students, area of triangle which we find as 30, so here we put as 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. If we take BC as a base, then its corresponding altitude we take as AL, okay, which we find. So base is what, BC, and its corresponding altitude as what, AL. Now from there we find the value of AL. See, we do cross multiply. This is 60 is equal to BC is what, 30, AL is, which is S, which we find. Thus H is equal to 60 upon 30 centimeter. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way, using this concept, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please just do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on these topics. Okay. This is a very important. Now we take some other important questions. Let's see. Now let's see its solution. Now we take the question. Find the area of quadrilateral. Find the quadrilateral. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which okay, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 17 centimeter, AD is equal to 9 centimeter, AD is equal to 9 centimeter, CD is equal to 12 centimeter, CD is equal to 12 centimeter, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree, and AC is equal to 15, and AC is equal to 15 centimeter. This is a very important question. Okay, so please concentrate on this question, students. Okay, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. Okay, dear friends. Hello everyone. So now let's see, this is a very important question. Let's see once more. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to what? 17 centimeter. AD is 9 centimeter. CD is 12. Angle ACD is 90 and this is 15. Dear students, in previous classes, this is the just revision of the revision, no? Okay. In previous class, we discussed about what is the process to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD when and in quadrilateral. So first you know that if we join AC, so this is the diagonal, and you know that the diagonal of the quadrilateral divided the diagonal into two triangle. So what I do for that? So we take both the triangles and we find the triangle of area of triangle of first and two, and after that we adding them. So in this way we get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. We get area of quadrilateral ABCD. This is the process to solve that type of question. Okay, now dear friends, what I do? For that question, first of all we draw the figure according to question. To look, let's see its solution. First of all, we draw. Look, angle ACB is given now. Angle ACB is given. Okay, so look, this is A, this is C, this is B. Okay, now this is ACB and this is D. Look, this is the quadrilateral ABC and D, in which now let's see, this is the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, in which angle C is what? 90 degree. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, dear friends, in which angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and let's see, AB is given as 17 centimeter. AB is given as 17 centimeter. AD, this is given as 9 centimeter. CD is given as 12. CD is given as 12 centimeter, and angle ACB 90, and AC is also given as 15 centimeter. Look, dear students, we find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Dear students, we are finding the area of quadrilateral ABCD. First of all, we find the area of triangle first. After that, we find the area of triangle. After that, we find the area of triangle 2. Area of triangle first and area of triangle 2. Okay. Now, what I do for that? After that, dear friends, we find, because of that another formula to find the area of triangle 1/2 into base into height. This is also a very important formula to find the area of triangle ABC. So here, dear students, let's see. In triangle ACB, we apply the formula 1/2 base into height. Because of here angle C is as a 90 degree, so we also apply the formula of triangle ABC here. 1/2 base into height. So base we take as AC and height is take as BC. Height as take as BC. So for finding the height BC, we apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle BCA. Okay, now look. Now in triangle ABC, applying Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem, so we get what? AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So from there, BC square is equal to what? AB square minus AC square. Because of, you know that the side opposite to right angle is what? Hypotenuse. So you know that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the base square plus perpendicular square. So look. So BC square is equal to AB. This is 17 square minus AC is what? 15. So we get as 17 square, this is 289 minus this is 225. So we get as BC square is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4, 8 minus 2, this is 6. So we get 64. We get what? 64. Now what I do? Look. So we get as BC is equal to square root 64, so this is 8 centimeter. In this way, we get BC as 8 centimeter. We get BC as what? 8 centimeter. Now, in triangle ABC, now for triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, we apply the formula 1/2 base into base as AC and its corresponding height altitude as BC. So we get 1/2 into AC is what? 15. BC is what? 8. So 2 4s are 8. 15 4s are 60 centimeter square. So in this way, dear students, the area of triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC is what? 60 centimeter square. 60 centimeter square. Okay, dear friends. Now, so in this way, the area of this region is what? 60. This triangle is 60 centimeter square. Now, after that, we find the area of triangle ADC by using the Heron's formula. After that, we adding both the values and we get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now look. Now look. Now we find the area of triangle ADC. Okay, for that AD, we take A as 9 centimeter, second side B take as 12 centimeter, and C take as 15 centimeter. Okay, now that is the value of SI perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2. This is what? A is what? This is 9 plus this is 12 plus C is what? 15 upon 2. Okay, now S is what? Uh, 12, 15 and 9. This is 36. This is 36 upon 2. That is what? 18 centimeter. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, we apply the formula Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B and S minus C respectively. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C respectively. Now we put all the values in that formula and simplify them. Okay, let's see. S is what? A means what? 9. B means what? 12. C means what? 15. So we get 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9, that is 9. Eighteen minus 12, 6, no? Okay, this is 3. Now we do the prime factorization. We get 9 into 2. We can write 9 right as it is, 6 3 into 2, and 3 right as it is. Now what I get? Look, 9 is in pair, so 9 common out from the square root. 2 also in pair, so 2 is common out from the square root. 3 also in pair, so 3 also common out. So 9, this is 54. This is 54 centimeter square. So the square area of this triangle is what? 54 centimeter square. Okay. So in this way, dear friends, look, by using the Heron's formula, as S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, we put all the values as S, A, B and C. Means A, B and C means what? The sides of all triangle, all sides of the triangle A, D, C in that formula, and we simplify them. And here we do their prime factorizations. After that, those values, those numbers which are in pairs, so we take common out from the square root. So in this way, after taking common out from the square root, we just multiplying them, and hence we get 54 centimeter square. So 54 centimeter square is the area of the second area of the second triangle. Okay, now what I do? We just find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So for finding the area, let's see, of quadrilateral. Thus, area of quadrilateral ABCD is, look, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Now we adding them to area of triangle ABC, which we find 60 centimeter square. So here we put 60 plus ADC is what? 54. So we get 114 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so in this way, dear friend, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics in this way. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT. Okay. Thus, in this way, we revise all the important questions, formula, concepts related to your chapter Heron's formula and completed now. So dear student, now first of all you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Then after you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Now in next class, next video, we take and revise other important chapter related to your first term syllabus of mathematics. Okay, so first you revise all the question and complete solve your NCERT exercise based on Heron's formula. Okay, now thanks to all.